In this video, you'll learn how to earn free Sei and Cyber by staking BNB. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to successfully stake your BNB and accumulate rewards from the launch pool on Binance. First, navigate to the Binance website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, locate the main menu at the top of the page. From this menu, find and select the launch pool option. This section will display various pools that are currently active, including those offering Sei and Cyber rewards. It is important to review the staking duration and the details regarding reward distribution to ensure you understand what is involved. Before proceeding, verify that you have a sufficient balance of BNB, as the amount you stake will directly impact your potential rewards. Next, select the specific pool for Sei or Cyber rewards within the launch pool section. After selecting the pool, you will see an option to enter the amount of BNB you wish to stake. Make sure to input the desired amount accurately. It is crucial to read and confirm the staking terms and conditions before submitting your request. Once you have reviewed everything and are satisfied, securely submit the staking request. Upon confirmation, your rewards will begin accumulating according to the rules set by the pool. Typically, you have the flexibility to unstake your BNB at any time, depending on the conditions. After staking, you will want to monitor your earned rewards. To do this, return to the launch pool dashboard where you can see your active stakes and the corresponding rewards. In some instances, you may need to manually harvest your rewards, so keep an eye on this aspect. Once harvested, check your spot wallet to confirm that the Sei and Cyber tokens have been credited to your account. Rewards are generally distributed on a daily basis, allowing you to track your earnings effectively. At this point, you should consider whether to hold on to your rewards or trade them based on your investment strategy. As you engage with the platform, it is advisable to save records of your transactions for future reference. This will help you track your overall performance and earnings over time. Always be mindful of your BNB balance and any market conditions that may affect the value of your rewards. Keeping track of these details can enhance your overall staking experience and ensure that you make informed decisions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.